Hi everyone, today we would like to present our partnership business, which is called Sweet Delight Bakery. Sweet Delight Bakery is a partnership business established in 2025 by two partners, Nurul, Aina and Siti Hajar. The bakery is located at Lot 67, Jalan Salak, Persiaran Ahmad, 52100, Kepong, Kuala Lumpur. This located is strategic and easily accessible to customers. The business started with the total capital of Rm50,000. Nurul Aina contribute Rm30,000 while Siti Hajar contribute Rm20,000. The main activity of the business is producing and selling cake, pastry, bread, cookies and dessert. We also accept customized cake order for special occasions such as birthday, wedding and celebration.
My name is Muhammad ZAHIN Ashraf. I will explain about the business characteristics of business between Aina and Siti Hajar. So the first is agreement. So Aina and Siti Hajar actually have a mutual agreement, either written or verbal. This agreement is very important to decide their roles, their capital and responsibilities, so there are no misunderstanding between them in the future. The second one is profit sharing. The profit of business will be shared between Aina and Siti based on their agreement. For example, if they agree 50-50, then they will share profit equally. So the next one is unlimited liability. This means Aina and Siti are fully responsible for the business debts. If the business have any loss, so their personal money can also be used to pay the debts. The fourth characteristic is shared management. Both Aina and Siti will manage the business together. They will make decisions and handle daily operation as a team. The fifth is limited lifespan. A partnership does not long last forever. It can be end if one of the partner leave or pass away, or there is a disagreement between them. In conclusion, the partnership between Aina and Siti Hajar has a very important characteristic such as agreement, profit sharing, unlimited liability, shared management and limited lifespan. Alright, so that's all from me. Thank you.
Next, for the qualification of accounting item, our assets are categorized into non-current assets, such as baking equipment and shop furniture, and current assets, which include cash at the bank, cash in hand, and raw material inventory. For liability, our current liability consists of account payable to our supply, while the bank loan is classified under non-current liability. Furthermore, the owner equity track the capital contributed by both partners, Nurul Aina and Siti Hajar, alongside our business sales revenue and monthly operating expenses.
Moving on to page 6, let's look at the simulated business transaction for Sweet Delight Bakery first month of operations. Our accounting cycle begins on January 1st, where an initial capital of 50,000 ringgit was deposited directly into our bank account. A few days later, on January 3rd, we pay our shop rent via checks amounting to 1,500 ringgit. To prepare for our baking operation on January 5th, we purchased an industry oven on credit for 8,000 ringgit. Following that, on January 12th, the business received weekly cash sale of 3,500 ringgit, which was immediately deposited into the bank. Finally, on January 31, our worker salaries of 1,800 ringgit was paid with checks. This recorded event served as the foundation for our prime entry books. Now let us proceed to the characteristic of business for Sweet Delight Bakery. As a partnership entity, our business structure is defined by four main elements. First, regarding the number of the owner, this bakery is legally co-owned by two partners, which are Nurul Aina and Siti Hajar. Second, looking at the capital, the financial funding is shared and mutually contributed by both partners to cover our setup costs. Third, for profit and loss distributions, all operational financial return or losses are strictly allocated according to the terms set in our partnership agreement. Lastly, the fourth characteristic is liability. Being a partnership means we carry unlimited liability, making the owner personally responsible for the business financial obligations.
Moving on to the strength and weakness of Sweet Delight Bakery. A systematic financial recording process is crucial to our success. it provides the accurate data we need for reliable decision making, performance evaluation, and strategic financial planning. With this organized system, our partners can clearly monitor our overall financial position at any given time, specifically tracking our cash balance, sales revenue, inventory levels, and outstanding liabilities. Our structured financial recording system gives us a strong competitive edge in two major areas: goal setting and data analysis. First, regarding goal setting, accurate record empower our management to establish highly realistic and measurable objectives. By looking at historical data, we can plan practical sales targets, profit milestones, and cost-cutting measures that pave the way for future growth. Second, for data analysis, this system gives us the reliable data needed to closely evaluate our operating expenses and market trends. It allows us to pinpoint our best-selling products and make highly informed adjustment to boost both our profit margins and operational efficiency. Next, let's explore the three main purposes of keeping proper financial records. First, it allows us to evaluate performance by comparing data across different periods. This tells us instantly if our sales, profits, and operational efficiency are growing or declining, so we can take immediate corrective actions when needed. Second, it is vital for budgeting and forecasting. By leveraging historical data, we can estimate future sales, overhead expenses, and inventory needs, allowing us to manage our resources effectively and stay ahead of seasonal demands. Finally, it serves to assess our financial health. This ensures our partners have a realistic view of our overall stability and can guarantee we always maintain sufficient cash flow to cover daily obligation. Moving on to inventory management. For a business like Sweet Delight Bakery, effective inventory control ensures we always maintain a sufficient supply of core raw materials like flour, sugar, eggs, and butter to meet customer demands without interruption. By monitoring our stock levels regularly, we can prevent costly shortage while simultaneously reducing the wastage of our perishable ingredients. Ultimately, this structured control improves our overall operational efficiency, help us keep expenses under tight control, and guarantees that our product quality remains consistently high. We outline the future outlook for Sweet Delight Bakery, structured across 4 strategic phases. In phase 1, our initial focus is on building a solid local customer base and brand presence through target marketing, social media, promotions, and local events. Once operations stabilize, phase 2 kick off our product expansions, where we will introduce new specialty desserts, scale up our kitchen capacity, and strengthen our online delivery services to reach a wider market. Next, phase 3 focuses on revenue diversification. We will target high volume corporate events and weddings while integrating advanced accounting and inventory management system to maximize operation efficiency. Finally, phase 4 secures our long-term growth. Our ultimate goal is to scale regional brand recognition, explore franchise opportunities, upgrade to modern equipment, and integrate sustainable practices like reducing food waste.
To conclude our presentations, establishing a systematic recording process is highly essential for Sweet Delight Bakery. By implementing proper financial record keeping, our partner Nurul, Aina, and Siti Hajar can ensure complete transparency and accuracy in all daily transactions. Although keeping record requires time and carries minor risk of human error, the advantage definitely outweigh the challenge. A well-classified accounting system allows the business to prevent inventory wastage, monitor cash flow, and correctly assess its financial health. Ultimately, this through historical insight will guide the management in budgeting and forecasting effectively, ensuring that Sweet Delight Bakery expands smoothly throughout its official business base.